Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Avinash here and I make videos regards defense and its examinations. So as I have promised in my earlier video that I'll make analysis of CDS 1 2021 written result. So yeah, now this video is dedicated to the analysis of this result. So as before the result, many of the sources were analyzing and expecting the cutoffs would be lie between this and this, but the result is totally different from that. Nobody have thought that itna high cutoff jayega. This time cutoff is like boom, and there is a rise in the cutoff a lot. I have talked to too many candidates who get into the list. So after discussing with them, I get to know a little bit idea about the cutoff of this time. So yeah, I would like to start from IMA. So this time for IMA, the cutoff is somewhere between 145 to 150. For AFA, it is above 155. Yes, one candidate was there, he was scoring 155. Even after that, he did not get for the AFA. And for INA, it is more than 135, and it is somewhere approx to 140. And if I talk about OTA, for OTA it is also so much high. It is not expected up to that mark, but it is 106 to 110. Yeah, I know a lot of candidates were telling that they are getting marks 119 and 117. Even after that, they are not getting into the list. So there may be two reasons for that. First one is that maybe they have counted in a wrong method. Second one, maybe the sources from where they analyzed their answers, they matched their answers, are varying from the UPSC answer key. As you all know, answer key will be provided after the 1 year. So now this is all about the analysis after talking a lot of candidates. So now come to the second question. The candidates who have cleared the written, now what will they do for their SSB? Firstly, they have to register for their SSBs. Now the candidates who are having preference for OTA and IMA, they have to register themselves on the website, that www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. From there, they will have to choose their SSB center as per their choice and SSB dates as well. Now talk about INA and AFA candidates who are having the preferences days. So they do not have to register from anywhere. They will automatically get registered by the SSB, and they will be provided call letters as well. So for AFA, AFSBs will be allotted to them, and for INA, naval SSBs will be allotted to them. So yeah, this is about the SSB registration, how you have to register yourself. Now the third question is that when will be dates provided for the interviews, SSB interviews? For IMA, INA and AFA, they will be get their SSB days within 2 months, and for OTA, the candidates will have to wait a little bit more. Their SSBs will be provided within 4 months. So yeah, they are having a good time for preparation of their SSBs, and all the very best for your SSBs as well. Now talk about the candidates who did not get into the list. The thing is that we can change, we can improve ourselves for the CDS 2 2021. So now just start preparing for CDS 2, and I'll discuss about it in a detailed way, that how to start your preparation and from where you should study and how to study. We will discuss about all these things in a next video, because I do not want to stretch this video, because this is totally focused for the written analysis. So now you can have idea that how much the competition has increased and how much you have to work on yourself. So this is about the analysis. And so yeah, for CDS 2 we will discuss in next video. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss out my any video, and we will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, Jai Hind.